Hi, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop here with a deck. It's not a new deck, but it's one that I hadn't had in store, and I do now. It's called the Harmony Tarot by Harmony Nice. So it's called the Harmony Tarot because that's her name. She's a UK, I've got it upside down, a UK YouTube star and modern witch. She has created the Harmony Tarot, an enchanting deck and guidebook that offers a way to use tarot to improve well-being, as well as for decisions and divination. So it reimagines the traditional deck of major and minor, with the suits represented by the 4 seasons. Each card has been thoughtfully designed to encourage you to connect with your thoughts and choices and inspire personal growth and healing. And you can see that that's her YouTube channel. Okay, so let's have a look. This is the little box that it comes in. I'm making a bit of a mess of that, sorry. There we go. Just pop that to one side. And the little booklet. So it goes through her story. So, you know, as you might expect, why the deck has been created, how to read the cards, all the way through. So there's quite a lot on how to read cards there as well. A basic starter 3-card spread. And then you've got situation spreads. So a number of spreads there you can go through. And then the cards. So you go into the major. So she has renamed them. And then you have the seasons, don't you? So she goes through each of those seasons. But you've got the meanings for each of the cards there. Let's pop that there and let's show you these cards. The backs. Very, very, very good to shuffle. Nice deck to move through your hands. No complaints at all. Right, so I'm going to show you each of the cards and then just place them down there so you can have a look. Please remember that you can actually control the speed. By speeding me up or slowing me down. I'm pretty sure you could read these intuitively, actually. There's a lot of feeling in each of the cards. Oh, a magical place. Yeah, I can see why these are so popular. And then we have the season of spring. So those are the majors. And then we have the spring. It's very clever. Did you see what's happening there? It's the growth of the bluebell. So 10 you've grown, you see. So there's the flower there, and then it's there. Very, very, very clever. So it starts here, then you see you have the growth. So very, very good. Page. And then we have summer. So we start with one flower. And a leaf has fallen, creates another flower. So we've got the loss of that flower. The various stages of the season is a very clever concept. And then we have autumn. So we have, and these are actually the elements of tarot as well that she's working with here. So you've got autumn. And then winter, so we have a snowdrop for winter. Oh, very, very, very clever. Okay, so that is the Harmony Tarot by Harmony Nice. Okay, so let me know what you if you're using it, then let me know how you're getting on with it and any advice you want to give to other people who may be interested in using it. And thank you very much for your time. Okay, bye-bye.